How do I obtain a Wells Fargo cashier's check?
Hello, and welcome to our Financial How-To Guide. Today, we'll be discussing how to obtain a Wells Fargo cashier's check, a secure form of payment that can be helpful for various transactions.
What is a cashier's check?
Firstly, it's important to understand what a cashier's check is. A cashier's check is a type of check that is drawn against the bank's own funds instead of yours. It provides a more secure form of payment because the recipient is guaranteed the funds are available.
Who can get a cashier's check?
Any Wells Fargo account holder can obtain a cashier's check. All you need is a checking or savings account with Wells Fargo and sufficient funds to cover the amount of the check.
Where can I get a cashier's check?
Cashier's checks can be obtained at any Wells Fargo branch. You'll need to go into a physical branch to request this service. It's not something you can typically do online or over the phone.
How do I obtain a Wells Fargo cashier's check?
Here's a step-by-step guide on how to obtain a Wells Fargo cashier's check. 1. Go to your nearest Wells Fargo branch. Remember, you can't obtain a cashier's check online or over the phone. 2. Speak with a bank teller. Explain that you would like a cashier's check and provide the necessary information. 3. Provide the name of the payee. This is the person or organization who will be receiving and cashing the check. 4. Provide the amount for the check. This should be the exact amount you wish to pay the recipient. 5. Pay for the cashier's check. You can do this by deducting the amount from your Wells Fargo account. There might also be a small fee associated with issuing the check. 6. Receive the cashier's check. The teller will print the cashier's check for you right there. And that's it. That's how to obtain a Wells Fargo cashier's check. Whether you're making a major purchase or providing a secure payment, cashier's checks are a reliable option. Remember to keep your receipt for record-keeping and security purposes. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope you found this guide helpful.